what up there, you are watching Atmosphere, and in this video we will be discussing the 3D visualization question. This is the part 2 of the 3D visualization. We have discussed the basic earlier. Now we will move further and we will analyze these complex objects into 2D form. So these are the 3D form, these are the ISO form that I have discussed before. If you want to know about the type of views, you can watch the part 1 where I explained what are the types of view that you will be working on. So this is a complex object. Some of these questions were asked in IIT Mains paper 2 before, and even NATA also. So these are the very important question and techniques that I will be telling you for your examination preparation. So watch this video till end. So first we will discuss about this model. The ISO of the model is given here. So this is the complete model and this is the ISO. The ISO could be given in the question and there will be 4 options. Maybe they will be asking you elevation or maybe they will be asking you top view. These are the 2 sets of questions that they can frame from this 3D ISO. So if they will ask for the top view, you have to eliminate this vertical member and you have to somewhat look it from the top. So for looking from the top, we can see that this is sort of the top view. We will click here. So this is the correct top view of this model. Now if they will be asking you the elevation from this side, so the elevation from this side would be this, and if they will be asking the elevation from this side, the elevation would be this. The elevation is same here because it's a symmetric model, but it will change in further questions. So this is the second model. So I have told you how a pyramid will look like in a plan. So let's see it. I have told you before how a pyramid will look on top view. So we will move on to top view. So this is the top view of this model. As you can see, from top it will look like this, and from sides, or you can say from elevation, the elevation from this side and the elevation from this side will be same, as you know that it's symmetric. So the elevation would be like this and the other elevation would be the same because you can see it's symmetric. So now we will be discussing about the question that was asked in IIT Mains paper 2. This is the question that is asked in IIT Mains paper 2 and these are the options that was available in the answer option. So the option that you have seen, so we have to choose a correct option from the given option. Here is our model. So in ISO it will look like this. So this is the model and ISO is like this. So you have to get a top view of this. So as you move, so you have to eliminate these vertical line from this model and you will get the top view. So as I'm moving the camera upward, you can see that the top view is like this. If they had asked you elevation, then you know that it's symmetric, and now you have to get the elevation. So elevation from the side would be like this. Elevation from side would be like this, and you know that it's symmetric. You will get a line here. Please notice this. So that's how you will be getting your elevation.